Hello, Maria. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about a web shop in September that is called The Power of Tapping. And Maria, I'm so happy that you will attend me in Spain, in lovely Almuñécar, in September, where we are going to hold a workshop in tapping. And I'm also so happy that we have limited the participants to 12 people, so we better can work with them individually. So could you tell me, Maria, a little bit about your background and what's the benefits of tapping? Why shall we do tapping?
Well, and thank you too, Hannah. I'm looking so much forward to this wonderful trip. Um, I am a mother. I am mother-in-law. I am the grandmother of 6 wonderful children, and I have lived for around 58 years. My background educated is as an optometrist, and that work stopped in 2009 due to overwhelm and severe stress. So I suppose that was when my journey into self-development and inner wisdom really took place or started off. It started with a tapping course in Fuerteventura, where I learned the techniques, and that was a great shift for me. I really felt there was something new and different inside me that I didn't know, and that really lifted off the new path. Today, I'm an educated psychotherapist, and one of my favorite tools is still tapping. Um, it's easy to use, it's right at our hands, and it can really make a great change. We feel it in our body when things shift, when things change, and I've experienced on my own that things really get easier. I get I get the mm, what, sorry, this is just my English. Um, I get empowered. I really feel that I got this extra shot of energy, resources, and in the same time, I feel more connected and more calm inward. So I really recommend you to join this course.
Interesting. And we can do it on ourselves in everyday work and have benefit of that. And who should participate? Well, you can participate being a therapist, a coach, or a psychologist, or you can just be the one that wants to a change in your life. And we can promise you will feel the change because we will work with you individually and in groups.
Yeah.
So, what about a certificate, Marie? Is that something we can promise?
We will provide you with the certificates so that you have something to show off that you've been on this 2-day course. Um, we will learn you the techniques and you will be able to use it on your own body, with your own feelings, and you will be able to use it together with others. But this is not a course in therapy. So if you're not a therapist when you arrive, you're not a therapist when you leave. You have a technique that will make a lot of changes with whoever you are with. As a therapist, I sometimes notice that I can get caught in with whatever we're talking about. But with this tool, I can come and I can be more uh, in the room with the client. I can feel my clients easier just because I know how to calm whatever happens inside me. And that also counts when I'm together with my family or different friends. So it's a tool to use wherever, in the queue, in the supermarket, in the bus with the crying children around you, but also together with difficult clients, with everyone.
Yes, it's more like it's more than a technique or a tool. It's a path to freedom, to be more present, to feel more empowered. And yes, when you change inside, you know the world around you will change, and that can reflect, for example, in your daily life, in your business, and that is wonderful about it.
Yeah, I
So,
agree.
Mette Maria, do you have a last thing you want to add? No, we have forgotten to say something. We have an early bird discount. Can you tell us about that?
Here's the link beneath. You can get an early bird discount until the 15th of June. But in the link, you're also welcome just to write us a note and ask for price and how to pay and so. So please contact us if you are by any chance get curious about what is this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
And would you like to add something at last?
I think I would like to add that it's surprisingly how easy you can change. You can make the shift from heavy thoughts and dark clouds to ease and well-being and stronger relations. So it is really here, just at the top of the fingertips.
Yeah.
I'm looking so much forward.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward as well, being together with you, learning you this wonderful tool that really is easy to learn, and you connect to your energy in your body and your feelings in a so easy and quick way that you're able to do changes in your whole life. So just click the button below and we'll see you in lovely Almuñécar. Stay there for a week or stay there for the 2 days together with us. Bye.